How to connect Bluehost domain to Squarespace. So the first step is to simply open the domains panel in Squarespace and then click on use a domain I own. Then you're gonna have to simply enter your full domain and then click on connect domain. Then you're gonna have to select Bluehost from the drop down menu and click on connect domain, and in the message that appears simply click on continue, and then a new panel will open with the records to create in your Bluehost account, and then you're gonna have to keep this panel open for your reference. Then you're gonna have to simply log into Bluehost, and then you're gonna have to simply go under domains and then simply find the domain that you just connected to Squarespace. Then scroll down to advanced tools and then click on manage next to advanced DNS records. Now here you're gonna have to add the first CNAME, so you're gonna have to enter, as you can see, host, copy and paste the unique code under host on the first line, and then simply add here points to and add this, verify that Squarespace. Then you're gonna have to add the second one, which is this one here, and then you're gonna have to add these A records, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.